Hello friends, today in this video I will be telling you about the 11 cool features provided by the Vivaldi browser. So let me give you the overview of the Vivaldi browser. So Vivaldi is a freeware cross-platform web browser developed by Vivaldi Technologies, and it was the co-founder and CEO of the Opera software. Vivaldi was officially launched on April 6, 2016, and this is how it is providing the features. It provides you the total customization over the browser. This is how you can customize the browser from minimalism to the full crazy on customization. So there is each and every section you can customize literally, and these are the features they are providing to the Vivaldi browser. And this is a tab stacking. I will discuss it in the later section. And after that they are providing the comparison study of the three browser, Chrome, Vivaldi and Firefox. And after that we have view multiple pages at once through the page styling and customization of theme, and they are providing essential, classic and fully loaded mode in the Vivaldi browser free of cost. And this is the Polestar company, Swedish company. They are using the Vivaldi browser for their automation operation. After first feature provided by the Vivaldi browser is tab features. So they are providing tons of feature in this tab section. We can customize the tab as per our needs. So let me give you the overview of this. So first we have to click on this gear icon and we have to go to the tabs, and we can also change the tab position, top, left, right, bottom as per our needs. And we have new tab page, new tab position, clone tab position, close tab activation, tab handling. So there are tons of features, settings they are providing in tabs area. So we cannot go into details because the video will be very long. So I am just highlighting the important features for this tab. So tab feature, tab cycling and tab selection, tab stacking. So tab stacking was very much useful and is very eye catchy. So let me give you the overview of this. So let me select the three tab and we can stack it together. When we click on the right, so this is the compact tab stacking. So the three tab is like merged in the single tab, and we can also unstack it if we want. So the two level tab stacking is very useful. Let me select the tab and the three tab will be coming to the down. So this is the tab stacking, second tab stacking, which is called two level tab stacking, and the third one is accordion. You can also check it out. And we can also mute a tab, pin tab, tab stack options. So there are tons of features in this tab. So if we click on any tab, we can get the tab option, hibernate, background tabs, stack tabs by host, periodic reload. So periodic reload is very useful when we don't want our page to expire. And hibernate background tag, if we click on that, so the background tab will be hibernated, so they will not be using the system resources like CPU or memory. So this is very useful when we want to save our battery. So this is how it works. After that we have page styling. So page styling is very much useful when we don't want to switch the tab and we want all the tab to be open in a single window by vertically or horizontally or by grid. So let me show you. So down right we have the tab page styling. If we click on this, so we will be getting the features of page styling, vertical, horizontally and tiles to grid. And let me select the tab that we want to tile, and we have to go to this page style option and we click on the tile to grid. So this is how the tab will be divided into the grid, and we can see all the four tabs in a single view. So this is how it works. We can divide the tab into vertically, horizontally as per our needs. So this is awesome. We don't need to switch the tabs. And moving forward we have sidebar. So sidebar is very useful when we want something to be handy, and we can access this the item that are present on the sidebar. So it saves our times. So there are history, downloads, notes, translator, mail, feed, and Wikipedia, and we can also customize the sidebar as per our needs. We can also add some item to this panel. So let me add github.com. So this is how we can add some item to this sidebar. So it is very useful feature when we want something handy. So these are the items that are present on this sidebar. We can also customize, we can also add something here over here, and we can also delete from the sidebar. So I have added the Gmail account over here, so that I don't need to open it in the browser, and it will take time, but I have added to the side panel so that I can check my Gmail instantly. So this is how it works. So moving forward, we have mouse gesture. So mouse gesture is very useful when we want to perform some operation for the tab related operation with the mouse gesture. So we have to go to the setting, and under the mouse tab we have mouse gesture. So we can control the these operations that are listed in this list, and we can perform the mouse gesture. So let me close a tab through the mouse gesture. So the mouse gesture we can see. So this is the L shape that we have to draw from the mouse. So let me do that. So you see the one tab has been closed. So this is how it works. So it works amazing when you do this. So you will feel very awesome. So this is how it works. So there are couple of settings over here: allow gesture, perform gesture with alt key, gesture sensitivity, and rocker gesture. So you should play all the settings and get to know what these settings are and how does it works. After that we have reader mode. So reader mode is very useful when we want to read web page and we don't want ad on this web page. So we have to go to the address bar and we have to click on the reader mode. So once reader mode is enabled, so we can read the web page easily. We can control the settings, we can change the layout, and we can shrink the column. If we click on this gear icon, we can get all the necessary settings that are useful for the reading mode. So we can loosen the line spacing, we can change the font, we can tighten the line spacing, we can change the language, like font type. So this is all the settings that we can do for this reader mode. After that we have Vivaldi note. So Vivaldi note is very useful when we want something to be saved in the note. I mean to say the Vivaldi note, not in the other notepad that are present in your system. So you can also write down some sentences, and you can also save into the Vivaldi notes, and you can also capture the whole page and you can save it in the Vivaldi notes. So this is how it works. You can also, this is not limited to the text. You can also save the capture area, you can also save attachment, you can, so it is providing many more features you can save in the notes. So this is how it works. And if you have the same account that is listed, that you have to this Vivaldi browser in the mobile devices, so you will be getting the same note on your mobile devices. So this is very useful. So you can get the notes in your devices, mobile devices. So this is how it works. So here it is asking for you add the account. So once the account is synced, you can get the note everywhere. And after that we have privacy and security. So Vivaldi browser is providing you the tracker and ad blocker. So this is how it works. You have to go to the setting, and under privacy and security tab, it is providing the tracker and ad blocking. So they are providing 3 level of blocking level. So you can customize as per your needs. So there are tons of feature over here. So you also have the exception features. You can put an website in the exception, security, password, cookies, and saved cookies, reset setting. And after that we have Vivaldi Translator. So Vivaldi Translator is very useful when we want to translate some text from one language to another language. So this is how it works. We have to translate the from English to Hindi. So but it is not limited to this language. It is you can literally translate any language from this Vivaldi browser. So it is powered by LinguaNext Translator. After that we have Vivaldi themes. So Vivaldi is providing you couple of themes you can choose from. So we have to go the setting, and under the theme tab you have the themes over here. So you can choose the theme from this list, but I like the dark theme. You can also set the private window theme. You can also schedule the theme. You can also manual schedule. And if you don't like the theme that are provided by Vivaldi, so you can also edit some theme as per your needs, and you can create something for your own purpose. So this is how it works. Moving forward, we have wave capture. So wave capture is very useful when we want to capture some web page, and we will analyze it and we will read it after some time. So this is how. So it is providing selection in full page. So if we click on the selection, the selected area will be captured by this web capture, and we will read it and we will see it later. So this is how it works. So it is asking for the output. You can save it in the PNG, JPG, and save to the clipboard. So this is how this selection capture works. So let me capture the full page. So you have to click on the full page, and the capture will be capturing the full page. So this is how it works. So it has captured the full page from top to bottom, and you can read this web page after some time. So this is how it works. So this is awesome. Tell me in the comment section how you like this video. And after that you can also get this capture option in the tools. So this is how you can get the capture option for capturing the web page. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can also consider subscribing to my channel so that you won't miss any future video here on TechTinge. Thank you and goodbye.